Welcome to another edition of What We Do and How We Do It, brought to you by Metro Deconstruction. As part of this edition, we want to show you how we go about preparing a building for mechanical demolition. That process we call pre-demolition strip out. The idea of pre-demolition strip out is to remove as many of the non-crushable materials from the building as possible before we carry out mechanical demolition. We go into a building first of all to identify the materials within the building that need to be stripped. Those materials will be identified as materials that we either reuse off-site, we recycle, or we dispose. That process is then undertaken on site, mainly by labour that go in and strip the building out, segregating all of the materials into their identified types, ready to be removed from the building. On this particular project in Southall, we have identified that we have raised access floor. This raised access floor is going to be lifted and palletised and removed off site for reuse. In this instance, we're looking to reuse around about 5,000 floor tiles off this particular project. Here we have wood that is taken out of the building as part of the pre-demolition strip out. We look to remove as much wood as possible from the building prior to mechanical demolition, because any wood left in the building during mechanical demolition turns to a million pieces and can contaminate the eventual crushed material that we produce at the end of the project. The wood is taken out clean, it's put into wood recycling skips, that's taken away and is recycled or recycled as biomass fuel. Here we have carpet tiles. The carpet tiles are lifted, clean, they are palletised and they are removed off-site for reuse. In this instance, on this project, we're going to be reusing around 5,000 floor tiles. And this is the end result of pre-demolition strip out, a building that is ready for mechanical demolition, with the aim being that during demolition, mechanical demolition, we're removing the metal and it's leaving clean hardcore and concrete that is then crushed and left on site for the use within the construction period.